Welcome back, explorers! Today, we journey through Lithuania, a country where ancient traditions and natural beauty merge to create a landscape teeming with wonder. From the cobblestone streets of Vilnius Old Town to the serene expanses of the Curonian Spit, Lithuania invites us to explore its historic cities, majestic castles, and breathtaking natural parks. Join us as we venture into Lithuania's top 10 must-visit destinations. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Lithuania, a mosaic of history, culture, and nature. Vilnius Old Town. Wander through the vibrant streets of Vilnius Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architecture that adorns this historic area. Visit the iconic Gediminas Tower, offering panoramic views of Lithuania's capital. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere where history meets contemporary culture. Trakai Island Castle. Step onto the picturesque Trakai Island, home to the stunning Trakai Island Castle. Surrounded by Lake Galv, the castle stands as a testament to Lithuania's medieval grandeur. Explore the red brick fortress and dive into the rich tapestry of Lithuania's past. Feel the tranquility of the lake and the surrounding natural beauty, a perfect backdrop for exploration. Kaunas Old Town. Discover Kaunas Old Town, where medieval charm blends with vibrant cultural life. Stroll along its narrow streets, lined with colorful buildings and historical landmarks. Visit the majestic Kaunas Castle and the stunning Pazaislis Monastery. Experience the artistic and culinary delights that make Kaunas a city of culture and creativity. Curonian Spit. Venture into the Curonian Spit, a unique natural wonder stretching between Lithuania and Russia. Admire the towering sand dunes, some of the highest in Europe, offering breathtaking views. Explore quaint fishing villages, pristine beaches, and dense pine forests. Feel the mystical allure of this UNESCO-listed site, a sanctuary for both nature and soul. Hill of Crosses. Behold the Hill of Crosses, a powerful symbol of faith and perseverance. Witness thousands of crosses, each telling a story of devotion and hope. Feel the profound sense of peace and spirituality that envelops this sacred site. Understand the resilience of the Lithuanian spirit reflected in this remarkable pilgrimage destination. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Klaipeda. Explore Klaipeda, Lithuania's gateway to the Baltic Sea, where history and modernity converge. Walk through the Old Town, admiring the blend of German and Lithuanian architectural styles. Discover the maritime heritage at the port and the charming theater square. Enjoy the lively festivals and the sea breeze, embodying the spirit of Klaipeda. Aukstaitija National Park. Immerse yourself in the pristine nature of Aukstaitija National Park, Lithuania's oldest national park. Paddle across crystal-clear lakes, hike through lush forests, and visit traditional villages. Learn about ancient beekeeping traditions and sample the delicious local honey. Find tranquility and adventure in this untouched paradise, a haven for nature lovers. Druskininkai. Relax in Druskininkai, Lithuania's premier spa town, renowned for its healing mineral waters. Enjoy modern wellness centers, water parks, and picturesque nature walks. Experience the Grutas Park, an open-air museum displaying Soviet-era sculptures. Discover the rejuvenating power of Druskininkai, a blend of leisure and history. Palanga. Bask in the seaside resort town of Palanga, famous for its vibrant amber and beautiful beaches. Stroll through the botanical park and visit the striking Palanga Amber Museum. Enjoy the lively pier and the bustling summer atmosphere. Capture the sunset over the Baltic Sea, an unforgettable sight that enchants every visitor. Siauliai. Visit Siauliai, a city known for the nearby Hill of Crosses and its rich cultural heritage. Explore the modern city center, dotted with sculptures and artistic installations. Learn about Lithuania's history at the Siauliai University Botanical Garden and the Photography Museum. Feel the community's resilience and creativity, which have shaped Siauliai's identity. From the historic charm of Vilnius to the serene beauty of the Curonian Spit, Lithuania beckons us to discover its enchanting cities, majestic landscapes, and deep-rooted traditions. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through Lithuania's most captivating destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.